Welcome the AARP channel. Today we how to protect your future with AARP beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your future with AARP, start by visiting the official AARP website. Create an account if you do not already have one. Explore the benefits section to understand what services AARP offers. Look for resources related to financial planning and retirement. Read articles and guides on healthcare options available for seniors. Consider joining AARP to gain access to exclusive discounts and resources. Take advantage of AARP's financial workshops that can help you with budgeting and saving. Research insurance options offered through AARP, such as health and life insurance. Join local AARP chapters to connect with members in your community. Attend AARP events and webinars to stay informed about issues affecting seniors. Utilize the AARP advocacy resources to help protect your rights. Review tools that help you compare different retirement plans. Explore AARP's resources on caregiving if you are planning for long-term care. Keep up with newsletters and updates from AARP for valuable information. Take advantage of AARP's online community forums to ask questions and share experiences. Regularly check back for new resources and changes in benefits. By taking these steps, you can secure a brighter future with AARP's support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.